Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Me say echo, I'm in a whisper. Me a talk things clean, clear and conscious. Today me drop the full scoop with a little more seasoning. From uptown stadium lights to downtown council clash. Me there to run it straight. Diana, put your day nighters at Sabina. Cricket on the lights, yes please. Jamaica Gleaner. Me I tell you, history a bill right here, so first time ever Jamaica go. So day and night test match at Sabina Park. I'm proud to say we're ready. Gleaner outline how the Ministry of Sport under Babsy Grange upgrade the lightning them and prep the venue for action. Echo say about time we modernize the cricket scene. Stadium vibe a lift again. And me hope the West Indies man them show up strong. If this work out, Jamaica could lock down future tours. More fans, more life. I'm with up on the boundary line with a curry chickpea patty and thing. Man to a meeting get heated. SR's Jamaica Observer paint the whole picture clear. Chaos smash up Manchester Municipal Cooperation meeting. Councilman them a fling verbal fire over political endorsements. And even the chairman did have to step in for calm the storm. Echo say, me no mind passion, it mean you care. But you can't make ego drown the people them work. From road for fix to garbage for collect. No make politics stall progress. No time for chest beating. Time for groundwork digging. MSN Pharma touch Jamaica, big business, big hope. SR Jamaica Observer. Echo pick up Observer headline and say, this a serious development. MSN Laboratories based in India now plant them flag in a Jamaica for pharmaceutical production. Echo asks the question, I just war hours are we a go see real lab space, local training, innovation. This story promising, but me say link with you, we train the youth, build up Jamaica own capability. Don't just ship, make we develop. And we clap loud if jobs and medicine come afforded for the people. Talk to and talk loud. When I drop words upon silence. Jamaica Gleaner. Me have to pause on this one. Gleaner drop an editorial cartoon, simple sketch. But every message look deeper and you see commentary about justice, corruption and the slow wheel of accountability. Some things Echo can't even say loud, but that cartoon, it say it all. Me say big up to the editorial artist. Art still a button fire in a clean, subtle way where Echo like that. Echo final word. Oh, trade station. Jamaica station. From cricket glory to community worry, the island always a spin. But who spin it? People, leaders and voices like Echo are ready for dissect it clean. Today's new show said Jamaica poised for grow, but only if we steer it with sense, unity and heart. Burlko, me no come for mislead, me come for make you know subscribe to Echo News Jamaica. And drop your view on the comment box. That's how Echo rule. Bold, but always clean. Me gone till next link up, bless up Jamaica. I tune in, look.